Well, hello, my little unicorns. I have missed you so much. Welcome back to eighth grade. I didn't know if it was ever going to happen. But anyways, you're here in the library with me, or maybe you're at home watching this video. I have no idea what's happening at this point. But anyways, this is my computer, and I'm making this video today just as a quick reminder to experienced eighth graders on how to use Destiny. Okay, so here we go, ready to jump in. Down here in the corner of my computer is the Destiny icon. Of course, on your laptops, it looks a little bit different. It's a little diamond. But either way, find the Destiny icon, click on it, and open it up. This is our home page, and this is the boring page that we can ignore for right now. I want everybody to find the little login up here in the right-hand corner. I hope that's the right side. Yes. Okay, now here, this is what confuses everybody. You might forget your login, and that's fine. This magical blue bar right here, click it. Once you click the blue bar, sometimes it's crazy and the screen pops up. We'll just sign in with our normal password. Either way, eventually, bingo. Here we go. This is our Destiny Discover homepage. Okay, so now that we are here on our home screen, it's your job to search and look for a book. And I've made some changes since the pandemic started. I want to point out a few features. Right here, right off the bat, the news, you can see that my phone number is here. You can text me if you're ever at home on the hybrid schedule and need help finding a book or downloading a book. Below that is our ebook section. And believe it or not, we have over 5,000 ebooks. So you can electronically download a book to your device anytime, anywhere, even on your phone. Below that, I have audiobooks. So if you want to just listen to books, we have hundreds of audiobooks. And then finally, I've made some collections for you guys. You can dive into some of these, like our pandemic playlist, funny books, whatever looks interesting. And below that, if you just want to search books by genre, this is where you dive in. So in short today, your guys' task is to search for and find a book. You got lots of different ways to search. Keep in mind the search box. Look through some of the tiles here of ebooks, audiobooks. Check out the collections. Search by genre. Even look at some of the popular titles or recently added books. Either way, you want to click on a book, make sure that it's in, read the summary, see if that book really grabs your attention. Read some of the information for AR for each book to make sure it's within your point value that you want. And raise your hand and we'll help you pull it from the shelf. Okay, that is it. That is all I have for you in this quick video. This should be a reminder. There are other features that Destiny offers, but today, just a quick overview of how to get logged in. Remember that blue bar? Use my phone number in case of an emergency. If you need to text me about, Miss Arnold, I need this book. Where is this book at? Can I have this book? Type of questions. Those type of questions are fine. And anything else, come stop by the library and we'll chat about it. See you soon.